In the third question, curved surface area of a cone is 308 square centimeters and its slant height is 14 centimeters. Then it is saying find in the first part, radius of the base, in the second part, total surface area of the cone. So they have given the curved surface area, that is curved surface area is 308 square centimeters, and then slant height is, that is L is equal to 14 centimeters. And in the first part they are asking to find the radius of the base. So we know that the formula for curved surface area is pi into r into L. It is equal to 308. Now we can substitute the value of pi and L and we can find the value of r. So pi is 22/7 into r into L is 14. It should be equal to 308. We can shift all these terms to the right side and they will become reciprocal. So 308 multiplied by 7/22 multiplied by 1/14. So when you simplify this, you will get the answer R as 7 centimeters. So it means the radius of the base is 7 centimeters. Now let's get to the second part. In the second part, it is asking to find the total surface area. We know that the total surface area of a cone is pi r into L plus r. So pi value is 22/7. Radius is, we have found it in first part, that is 7. Then slant height is 14 and radius is 7. So this becomes 22/7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 21. So it comes out to be 462 square centimeters. So this becomes the total surface area of this cone.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.